The Sigma Smart System is an integrated and scalable building automation and lighting automation system that runs on a 48 volts DC bus. The Sigma Smart System can be installed by a certified integrator that's been trained properly on the use and deployment of the Sigma Smart System. Here we have the Sigma Smart Server. The Sigma Smart Server is the brains of the operation. It connects to an IP backbone. It connects to the Q-Bus system and is powered. The Sigma Smart Server then connects through the Q-Bus to the network interface card. The network interface card is where all of the remote LED driver controllers are connected. The information goes to the server from this cable, and then from this cable, it goes to the network interface of the card. The remote driver LED controller has 10 universal inputs. It also has up to 15 in-ocean wireless inputs. The controller also has 12 independently controlled LED drivers to run all of your LED fixtures. In addition, here the controller is connected to an in-ocean wireless antenna. The wireless antenna receives signals from the wireless occupancy sensor and also from the wireless photo sensor. The photo sensor measures the intensity of the light in the space, while the occupancy sensor detects movement. We can use the intensity of the light and the occupancy sensor as switches to run the independent LED drivers. Last, we have a sample LED fixture. The LED fixture has one cool and one warm LED engine. The driver in the controller runs the LED fixture. The remote control has two rocker switches that will control the color temperature as well as the on-off as well as the light intensity. For example, turning it on will bring the light to the on position. Pressing and holding the button will increase the intensity or the brightness of the light. If we hit the left button down, we will reduce and change from the bright blue to the warm light. We can also increase that again, come back to the middle, and we can reduce the intensity back down. And then at some point, we can turn the light off.